Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make money with Gelato, which is a print-on-demand marketplace, and they are a supplier for the products and ship them straight to your customer. So, which is really convenient, of course. They are something like Printify. Maybe you heard of those more often, but basically Gelato has a local production hubs in over 130 countries. They have over 130 production hubs in 32 countries, sorry. So basically the shipping to your customers will be fast if they are from USA and from the specific state, like for example New York. So the Gelato, if they have a printing distribution center in New York, they will print it there and ship it to your customer. So the first thing what you need to do to get started with Gelato and make money is, of course, to choose a platform which you want to use together with Gelato. So for example, maybe you want to create a Shopify store, Etsy store, Wix store, Squarespace, Amazon, eBay, and so on. You can also connect Instagram. So basically there's a lot of options. You can also do a manual and API custom integration. So of course the most popular and direct integrations which works with the best with Gelato are these ones. So when you choose your platform, for example Shopify, you're just gonna click on this icon here when you sign up, of course, to Gelato, and you connect your store. After that, you're gonna go to the, and now let's see how much money you can make with, for example, a poster. You can calculate your monthly profits for classic matte paper poster, 30 times 40 centimeters, and with Gelato Plus subscription, because of course you can start with a free one, but you will get a shipping discount when you choose Gelato Plus. For example, you are made a poster design, you uploaded it to Gelato, which I will show you just in a second, and you're selling it for $20.99. You get like 50 monthly sales. Your total monthly revenue is 1,049 euros. Monthly marketing cost, maybe let's Shopify, for example. So if you don't use any paid marketing, then your profits per month would be 416 euros. So it's just like an example. And now we can start and create the product. So here, when you connect to your store, you're gonna go stores right here, and you're gonna create a product from their options. So as you can see, they have a lot of options here on Gelato. They have men clothing from like hoodies, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and so on. The same for women clothing, kids and baby clothing, tote bags, wall art, phone cases, mugs, and so on. So let's choose the posters one. As you can see, there's a lot of options here. And maybe let's choose the bestseller, for example, premium matte paper. And now we're gonna choose the sizing of it. So maybe let's do a bigger one, this one. And now, as you can see, you have to put your design somewhere here. So to create a design for this wall art, I'm gonna use Canva and quickly create some design. So now the sizing of that was 1824. So let's create the same size. The same size poster here on Canva. Now let's go to the text quickly. And for example, let's write something like that. I'm gonna choose a different color for this one. And now let's add some effects. Let's change the font quickly. So now when I chose the font, I'm gonna quickly edit the colors of this design of mine. It will be just an example. For example, let's choose some. We need a free version one, so for example, something like that. And now I'm gonna download it, of course, and upload it to Gelato. And as you can see, when I added it to this poster, here's my design, and it's good quality. So that's that. Now you can also add some text if you want, or add something special, something else, shapes or whatever. But I would suggest you to make your design, for example, on Canva or somewhere else, and then upload it here to Gelato, because it would be really beautiful designs, because Gelato doesn't have those fonts and those effects which Canva had. So that's that. That's how you create, for example, design a poster. Of course, I would suggest you, if you are selling posters, do something to upsell, add some products to upsell for customers. So for example, add a framed poster or a frame together with a poster. And now when you created a unique design, of course, don't forget to do a good research before you start creating your products, because maybe people are not interested and not searching for your product, so you will not make sales like that. But if you already did your research for keywords and so on, then you create your design like I showed you, and you're gonna click on continue to mockups. You can also add personalization here, as you saw there. Now, as you can see, they have a lot of mockups here to choose from, so you can just click on one other or the other and add it to your store. So that's really convenient. You won't have to create your own mockups for for posters and some other things like t-shirts and hoodies. So now when you did that, you're gonna continue to details, and now you're gonna write down your title. And here on description, I'm not gonna show you how to write the whole description, but basically I suggest you to go to, for example, Shopify sellers, and after that look what are they writing on their products. Of course, add some type of information from this from Gelato, because you can actually write the features of this poster, like it's this paperweight and it's durable, long lasting, and that paper sizes vary slightly by region. But basically write down something about with the keywords you search for example, posters for summer lovers and so on. So you're gonna write down all the details about in the description here about your poster or about your product. Then you're gonna add some tags And that's basically it, guys. You're gonna just continue, click on continue to prices. And as you can see here, you can add the price you want to sell it for. As you can see, the product costs 12 euros. The shipping cost is 3.56 with Gelato Plus. And maybe you are selling it for 20.99. So your profit would be like almost 9 euros. So if you sell I don't know, 10 of these, you will get like 90 euros of profit. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Just don't forget to be unique and be careful with copyright. Don't use the images from other creators. Don't use images from Canva. Create your own or buy it from places like Creative Fabrica, for example. Here you can go search for graphics and basically choose the ones which are created for print on demand, and then you're gonna create ones and add to your design and to your store. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.